Mesmerizing captures Milky Way's core, a swirling tapestry of stars, dust and cosmic brilliance in the Embark on a mesmerizing journey through the outer reaches of space with our captivating video presentation. Explore distant galaxies, nebulae and cosmic phenomena, unveiling the beauty and mysteries of the universe. Witness breathtaking views of celestial wonders that defy imagination and igniting a sense of wonder and awe. Experience the intimate beauty of white smoke with our close-up footage. Delicate tendrils dance and swirl, revealing intricate patterns and ephemeral forms. Each wisp tells a story of movement and transformation, captivating the senses with its ethereal charm. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing world of white smoke. Bask in the magic of stargazing on a clear, starry night. With each twinkle, feel a connection to the cosmos, a sense of wonder that transcends earthly boundaries and ignites the imagination. Bathed in the sun's golden light, Earth's surface glows with life. From rolling landscapes to shimmering seas, witness the beauty of our planet as it basks in the warmth of solar embrace. Capturing the ethereal beauty of a full blue moon on camera is a rare and captivating feat. As the lunar cycle reaches its peak, the moon bathes the night sky in a mesmerizing azure glow, evoking a sense of wonder and mystique. The phenomenon of a blue moon occurs when a second full moon appears within a calendar month, a relatively infrequent occurrence that adds to its allure. Against the backdrop of the inky night, the blue moon stands out as a celestial jewel, casting its gentle radiance across the landscape. In video footage of a full blue moon, viewers are treated to a spellbinding display of lunar splendor. The camera captures the moonrise as the celestial orb ascends above the horizon, casting long shadows and painting the landscape with silvery light. Against a backdrop of twinkling stars, the moon takes center stage, its surface bathed in an enchanting blue hue. As the night progresses, the blue moon traverses the heavens, illuminating the world below with its soft, otherworldly glow. Clouds drift lazily across the lunar disk, adding to the mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. In the stillness of the night, the beauty of the moon's craters and lunar seas is revealed in exquisite detail, offering a glimpse into the mysteries of the cosmos. The passage of time is marked by the moon's slow journey across the sky, casting patterns of light and shadow on the earth below. Trees sway gently in the moonlit breeze, their branches casting intricate shadows on the ground. Wildlife stirs in the darkness, drawn out by the allure of the celestial spectacle unfolding overhead. As the night wanes and dawn approaches, the blue moon begins to fade its luminous glow, giving way to the soft hues of daybreak. Yet its memory lingers, a testament to the timeless beauty of the cosmos and the wonder of nature's tapestry. In video footage of a full blue moon, viewers are transported on a journey through the night sky, where the boundaries between earth and sky blur and the mysteries of the universe are laid bare for all to behold.